What's up, y'all? It's Timmy, and today we're going to continue this crazy drive from the lower 48 to Alaska through Canada in the middle of the winter. Welcome to Truck House Live, baby. Alright, y'all, we're officially at the intersection of Highway 99. So we're about to get on Highway 97 North and head towards Prince George. We're kind of in the lower half of Canada. We just drove the sketchiest freaking road in this thing I've ever done. Look back at the last video if you want to see that. And we're just continuing the drive here. I'm gonna go till it pretty much gets dark and stop for the night. Roll this window up. It's cold out there. It's probably about -15 right now. It's just gonna get colder, but we're prepared for it, so let's hit it. Oh yeah, rolling through a little town. I'm just gonna pass on through. I got double tank of diesel, so I'm still good for now. Woohoo, rest area. Oh man, that sounds nice. Yeah, I think, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and pull in and call it a night. It's just now getting dark. I just had a really long day driving through that pass back there. I'm gonna stop and chill and bake a pizza in the oven. Oh yeah, this looks fantastic. This is where I'm staying tonight. It's freaking cold as crap too, but hopefully it's fairly flat. Kind of looks like it is. Well, this is gonna be home for the night. I'm at a rest area just north of, can't remember the town. I'm just north of the Highway 99 and 97 intersection in British Columbia, so it's calling a night here. Samurai's all looking good back there. Killer lights. Oh, I don't want to kill the engine. I might leave the engine running and go warm up the camper first because it's freaking cold outside. So let's do that. Put a jacket on. I don't know what the temperature is. It definitely feels below zero. Woo. Ooh, it's windy too. One, two. Heater's on. Just gonna let it warm up. Here we go. Camper should be warmed up. Probably lock it just for fun. All right. Hear the heater going. Whew, it's windy. It is cold, but I bet it feels good in here. Oh yeah, man. Toasty up in here. Oh, I always forget to put a rubber band in this paper towel holder. It's so freaking cold outside. I don't know how cold, but let's see. Mainly the wind chill. Let's see what it is. What? Doesn't even seem that cold. 5 degrees. I bet that wind chill is like -20. And I tell you what, guys, there is nothing like coming inside of a nice warm place that's on the back of your truck. So freaking grateful. It's cold enough tonight that I feel I'll either have to get the generator out to start the block heater in the morning, or I'll wake up every 3 hours and just start the truck just to make sure it doesn't get like super thickened up crazy cold. So I'm probably gonna set my alarm every 3 hours tonight just to keep the truck turned over. Just because I'm out in the middle of nowhere, I don't even want to take a chance. I do have a Honda 1000 generator and block heater for the engine, so I could fire up the generator, plug the block heater in, but it's such a small generator, it almost it's too much power draw for that little 1000, so it works every now and then, but I don't want to risk it tonight. Back in Alaska, I have a Honda 2000 generator, and that powers it just fine, but that's what's up. I'm gonna cook some food tonight. We're having Canadian Delicioso, $5 pizza. So let's go on and get the oven going. Welcome to another episode of Hopefully I Don't Blow My Face Off with yours truly, Timmy. There's the pilot. Hold the button for 10 seconds. And here we go. Oh, it went out. I hate it when that happens. Try it again. Usually when you light it the second time, it'll go. There we go. Here it goes. Yeah, we'll get oven. 375 degrees, somewhere in there. Oh, they didn't give me a freaking, whatchamacallit. Usually there's a little piece of cardboard in every pizza I've ever bought, but that's all good. We'll make it work. We'll make it work. Actually looks pretty good. I've seen worse looking frozen pizzas for show. Nice. Looks delicious. It's like all nice and soft. I think it'll be good. We should probably get some aluminum foil. Yeah. Oh yeah, this is my in-floor storage. Here we go. Got like sewing kits down there, and it's a whole bunch of freeze-dried food, enough for 14 odd days of soups and cans and stuff. Have more room for other stuff too, but hey, slippers. Yeah. Forgot my felted slippers are down there. Let's put the first aid back in there. Close that up. What? What? Oh. Aha. Slippers. Ooh, this feel good. Guess I'll just make it fit in this all weird. Is that gonna cook weird? That'll probably cook weird. Oh well. Drop. Alright. And perfect. This is gonna sound really lame, but one of the worst cuts I've ever had in my entire life was from an aluminum foil box. That little thing right there that cuts the foil, it just like bled for 2 hours. All right, let's get this pizza in. I think a little water is in order. All right, throw that joker in. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It's very cold outside, and I am in a nice warm camper. I just had a delicious $5 pizza. That might have been one of the best $5 pizzas I've ever had. Delicioso in Canada. If you're there, check it out. I'm gonna do some video editing and relax. I didn't sleep too good last night, so I'm gonna go to bed a little earlier tonight, except for I'm gonna set my alarm every, I'm gonna say 3 to 4 hours to wake up and start the engine, just to make sure my diesel doesn't gel up. Anyhow, that's the word. See you guys in the morning. Whew. Good morning, everybody. Oh, it's cold. All right, here we are, interior Canada. Hope the truck starts. It is freaking cold. I don't know how cold, but put it on high idle. We're seeing it here, guys, a 7.3, been cold all night. I trust this truck, man. I trust this truck, man. Oh, come on. I don't know why. You don't even have to cycle it. Usually I'll just let the glow plug cycle go through a good 15-20 seconds when it's this cold. We're checking the temperature. It's got to be below 0. I have no idea what it is. It's freaking cold. Boom! All right, got that heat going. Oh, I love this truck. It may break down every now and then, but everything breaks down. And I tell you what, man, it's a good truck. Back inside. Good morning, everyone. Currently, I have a video premiere coming out. It's like Sunday morning, so the video's showing, and you guys are all in the chat box over here, so I'm able to talk to you real live time. So that's pretty neat. Well, guys, we're chilling here waiting for Uber. Dylan Rose is on there. Anyway, I'm doing that, then we're gonna hit the road. Let's make a little coffee before we take off this morning, shall we? This is really good coffee, by the way. Allegro. I think I got it at like Trader Joe's passing through. Yeah, not sponsored by them. I paid for it, but it's good coffee. I'd buy it again. It's tasty. Yummy. I'm telling you, man, I get this coffee maker in Vietnam for 50 cents. Been using that thing for over 4 years, almost every morning. They're awesome. Beautiful morning out. It's windy. We're set up at 7.3, just chugging along beautifully. Now for my favorite part that you guys have never seen, dumping the pooper. Raven, you want some poop, Mr. Raven? Come and get it. All right. Oh, it's cold. Oh. This bathroom is so nasty already, but it's about to get nastier. No, I'm just kidding. This actually doesn't make a mess if you know how to do this properly. Oh. Ew. For the record, the poop in the seat was there last night. That was not me. Someone probably tried to poop in the dark or something. Anyway, that's how I empty the camper bathroom. So yes, I use the toilet. I'm not scared to use it. Whoa. Oh shit. Ah. Ah. Whoa, that was boiling. Oh my god, I bet that just steamed this so hard with water. Crap. Ah, sorry. I don't know how long that was steaming. Let's get some of that out of here. Just trying to mold my camper out. Okay. Well, I'm gonna go get some hand sanitizer really quick. Okay, we're back. Let's see. Evaporated all my water away while I was dumping the toilet. Forgot to put less water in than I usually do, so boiled faster. Cool. Yeah, for breakfast, I think we're gonna have some yogurt. Okay, let's blow this popsicle stand. Oh wait, I'm turning the heater off. Okay. Right. We're gonna pull into the old 70-mile general store here and get some diesel, eh? If they have the diesel, eh? Wonder how much it is. I bet not cheap. But you know what? I don't have a choice. Prepayment required by law. Let's see what we're running. Nice, 140 a liter. That's crazy. It's cheaper here than it was back in Vancouver. We're on our way to Prince George today, so I've got another, I don't know, 250, 300 miles. I haven't even looked at a map, honestly. When we get to Prince George, we're gonna split left and head up the Cassiar Highway because all the roads are bad, so I might as well take the shortest one. So that's the plan. So I walked into the gas station to pay really quick with the credit card, and there was another dude in there in line behind me. And he had followed me yesterday through the Duffy Highway. If you guys look back one video, you'll see my probably one of the scariest drives I've ever done. Anyhow, as I was walking out of the gas station, the dude was like, yeah man, you're pretty set up for it all. I was like, yeah, I'm ready to break down anytime, good to go. And the guy responded back and kind of scalded me almost. He's like, don't say that, that's bad karma. And he really meant it. I don't know, that really stuck with me. I'm gonna really stop trying to even joke around about bad stuff happening like that, because maybe it does, I don't know if I believe in karma or not, but maybe it does bring that kind of stuff about. What I do know is when you think about something, you can make it happen. So I'll take that to heart. Lessons on the road. We're just north of 70-Mile Lake in interior British Columbia. The roads are great right now on Highway 97, thank God. And there's the first casualty. Pretty much brand new windshield. Car just kicked up a rock. Good old wintertime driving. I might be able to fix that one if I get it quick. This is sketchy though, it's near the edge of the windshield. I'm gonna have to fix that today. We're in the town of Quesnel, I think that's how you say it. We probably have about 70 miles or so, and then we'll be in Prince George. All right, it's car wash time. This thing is freaking filthy, man. It's a huge car wash, it's probably not gonna be cheap. All right. We're all cleaned up, and I'm gonna go find an auto parts store and fix this windshield crack right there before it gets bigger. Woohoo! Lordco Auto Parts. Let's go get some stuff I need. I don't know if I should pull in here or not. Looks like I can.
Well, that's a wrap, y'all. Stay tuned for the next video where we continue north to Alaska.
If you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you next time. Peace, y'all.